field one sunny day. They clucked and pecked and ran around. One found a nest and sat right down. One got tired and went to sleep. She snuggled in hay so soft and deep. Now only three were up on their feet. One flew off to sit in a tree. She flapped her wings and gave a cheer. Now just two hens stayed near. Two little hens danced in the sun. One saw worms and had to run. She dug in the dirt without a sound. Now only one hen was around. One little hen felt all alone. We clucked and chirped a little moan. Soon her friends came back to play. Five little hens, hooray, hooray.